Hi, I'm Shubham Agnihotri and I'm right here just to deliver a brief seminar over cloud computing and Windows Azure platform. When I'm talking about cloud computing, I'm talking about on-demand self-service internet infrastructure where you pay as you go and you use only what you need. So you are actually paying out only for the resources that you're actually using, and it's all managed by a web API, an application, or by a browser. So it is actually making it operating system independent, which is one of the most advantageous point that is being counted under cloud computing. Now, when I'm talking about cloud computing, I emphasized over a word known as self-service. Interacting with the cloud requires some level of user self-service. Best of breed self-service provides users the ability to upload, deploy, schedule, and manage their applications over the cloud, with their business services being managed on demand. Cloud offerings must provide easy to use, intuitive, and user interfaces that equip users to productively manage the service deliverability life cycles. Now, cloud computing is broken up into three parts, that is cloud infrastructure, that is IaaS, that is infrastructure as a service, cloud platforms, that is PaaS, that is platform as a service, and cloud applications, that is SaaS, that is software as a service. Now, the applications that are being deployed over the cloud comes under SaaS. When I'm talking about Microsoft, I'm talking about PaaS, that is Windows Azure platform, that comes under the PaaS service model. Now, Windows Azure platform is an internet cloud service platform hosted from Microsoft data entries and Windows Azure, which are being hosted over Microsoft data centers, which have some Microsoft data center entries. Now, Windows Azure platform is very much important out there just because it offers storage. Yes, now these storage helps you to host, scale, and manage and connected web apps could be hosted right there over the cloud. Second thing is that you are actually being paying for what you are actually using, and it is using some of the basic resources like XML, SOAP, and REST, and HTTP with slashes, that is secured HTTPS connections. Now, when I've been a part of Imagine Cup 2011 and I've qualified for IT Challenge for the second round, so at that moment of time I used Windows Azure at the same moment of time, which was being used for connecting out the various web apps that are being actually deployed over the two servers, one in New York and one in the Singapore. So at that moment of time, I was talking about Windows Azure. Now, this Windows Azure platform can be broken up into three parts. First part is Windows Azure operating system, that is actually being used for computing, hosting, storing, and actually it is being concerned with one of the most important things, that is you are actually helping out the load balancing and load shedding over the server. The second thing that is being counted under it is SQL Azure, that is for providing database solutions, and the third part is Windows Azure App Fabric, that is providing a good level of secure connections and communication between the applications. So this is all about Windows Azure platform, and thank you.